Drop a like if you're Team DJI and let's rip this open. I grabbed this beast from Design Info, like I said, at a price of around 52,000 rupees. Fast shipping with EMI options are available there if you're interested. In my case, this product was delivered to me in just 3 days via Blue Dart, which is great. The tall rectangular box feels premium with lots of info about the product on all the sides of the box, as well as some pictures of the Osmo Action 6, which really does look beautiful. Like I said, this is the adventure combo, so we should be getting tons of other accessories along with the camera, the list of which we can see on the box itself. And inside the bigger box we get 2 smaller boxes along with the DJI extension rod or selfie stick. Packaging is honestly pretty good, which is true for both DJI as well as Design Info, as none of the stuff arrived was damaged whatsoever. So let's start with the accessories first, and then we'll move on to the camera itself, which is the Osmo Action 6. The selfie stick in the DJI Osmo Action 6 Adventure Combo is a compact 4.9 foot or about 1.5 meters extendable rod designed for versatile vlogging and action shots, about 9 inches when closed, made of lightweight aluminum with rubber grip and a hole for a wrist strap or lanyard, which by the way is not included in the box. We get the mount adapter pre-attached at the top and a 1/4 inch tripod mounting thread at the bottom for connecting something like a tripod stand. Let's now move over to the bigger box where we get a plethora of goodies. We get a short USB-C to C PD charging cable, 2 dual directional quick release adapter mounts. These connect to the Osmo Action 6 magnetically and can be screwed in different devices and tripods, including the already provided selfie stick using any of the provided 2 locking screws. Then we get 1 curved adhesive base which can be connected to curved areas such as a helmet for auto vlogging. We also get anti-slip pads. Then we get a user manual and some stickers. And finally we get a multifunctional battery case for a total of 3 batteries already inserted in the case. It's multifunctional in the sense that it acts as a power bank for your other devices as well, and not just something to store your other batteries when they're not in use. And now the star of the show, the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. Light as a phone but tough as nails. This thing is super compact, about the size of your palm, weighing just 149 grams. So it won't drag you down on long hikes. The all-black matte body looks sleek and rugged, with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 covering both the touchscreens for drop-proof durability. Feels really premium to hold. The top gets a red circular record button. At the bottom we get a magnetic surface with inserts to lock in the provided quick-release adapter mounts. We also get a small speaker here. The DJI Osmo Action 6 has a total of 3 microphones. On the left side we get the power button along with a small slider lock to access the charging Type-C port, which by the way can also be used as a webcam. On the other side we get a bigger slider lock where we can gain access to our battery compartment and the memory card slot. We've got a bright 1.46 inch front OLED for perfect selfie framing and a larger 2.5 inch rear one hitting 1000 nits, readable even under harsh sunlight. Inside there's a massive 1 by 1.1 inch square CMOS sensor that shoots 38 megapixel photos with a super wide field of view of 155 degrees. So we capture everything from epic landscapes to tight action shots. This is the world's first action camera with a variable aperture of f2.0 for low light night rides, stopping down to f4.0 for bright daytime without washing out. Video goes up to 4K at 120 frames per second in every aspect ratio, including square mode for social media with Rocksteady 3.0 plus stabilization that keeps footage buttery smooth even on bumpy trails. No jello or shakes. By the way, now we can even record in 8K at 30 FPS, thanks to a new software update. The DJI Osmo Action 6 pairs with the free DJI Mimo app available on iOS and Android, which turns your phone into a remote control, live monitor, and quick editor for effortless shooting and sharing. Mimo connects via Bluetooth for real-time HD live view from the camera's dual screens, perfect for framing tricky angles like overhead vlogs or helmet cams without twisting your neck. You get full remote control over settings, resolution, frame rates, stabilization modes, aperture, and even gesture triggers like waving to start recording. Verdict: the DJI Osmo Action 6 Adventure Combo from Design Info is 100% authentic. And if you're on the fence about purchasing from Design Info, this unbiased unboxing serves as clear proof of their reliable service and legitimate stock. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this camera with my own money. Prices on the other hand may vary from site to site, which holds true even for the credit card EMI options available on different sites including Amazon. Purchase links for different websites can be found in the description down below. Smash the subscribe button for more tech unboxings. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.